Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Photos backup for iPhone step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Google Photos. Locate the Google Photos app in the search results. Tap the download button to install the app if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the Google Photos app. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, allow Google Photos to access your photos. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Tap OK or Allow to grant access. Next, find the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Backup and Sync. Tap on Backup and Sync to enter the backup settings. Toggle the switch to enable Backup and Sync. Select your desired backup quality. Choose between high quality or original quality. Review the options available for mobile data usage. Decide if you want to allow backups over cellular data or only when connected to Wi-Fi. Tap on Confirm if any additional prompts appear. Once settings are configured, the backup will begin automatically. You can verify the status by checking the backup status in the main interface. Enjoy securely backed up photos with Google Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.